Do you want to have more flowers from your plants? Well, deadheading is the secret. Not only is it therapeutic to do, but it's also helping your plants too, because it's generating more flowers. Now, deadheading is when flowers have finished and you just snip off the old flower. And the reason that you do this is to stop the plant wasting a load of energy into producing more seed. What you want to do is to take the flower away. The plant doesn't think it's producing seed, so it pushes up more flowers to do that job. And that way, you're taking away the old, saving the energy for the plant and encouraging it to produce more flowers. And of course, it's really good fun, because as you're taking the old ones away, the plant is starting to look better. You're thinning them out so the other buds are being able to get into the sunlight earlier. And it can be an easy job to do. Don't get the scissors from inside the house and start doing it, because it eventually starts to hurt your fingers and can be quite tough on some stems. Or you could use pruners, bypass pruners that cut the same way as scissors do, but they can be a bit cumbersome in and out. Something halfway between scissors and pruners are these. They're called snips. And as you can see, it's got the scissor blades at this end, but they've got really ergonomically designed handles and the spring in the middle to make it much easier to do if you're deadheading a lot. And because the blade is quite tight, it enables you to get right in there and snip. And when you're deadheading, remember you've got the flower, you've got the flower stalk, and then you've got where the flower stalk joins onto the plant itself, usually where the leaves are. So if you take a clipping off, take it right the way down to the leaf joint and take the whole stem of the flower and the top off, because if you cut it halfway and leave a bit of a stalk, that starts to rot and can rot right the way down and can affect the plant. So take the whole flower off. So the process of deadheading is actually fun, easy on your hands, instant result with your plant, and more flowers to come. Today's video has been sponsored by AMES Tools. Thanks, AMES. For more information on gardening and the right tools to use when gardening, just visit the website ames-tools.co.uk.